No action.
Hello!
Just straight up cut.
Hi, Eileen!
Eileen Ato, congratulations! And
All the best
All the
in
best.
your married life. Congratulations to both of you. Hope hindi kayo mag-aaway. Yeah, and we wish you all the best in your all married life, in your years of togetherness. And we hope that we could come to your wedding, but then we're here. So,
congratulations!
Congratulations.
Rehearse that.
Yeah.
Silly.
Rehearsal lang daw yan.
Rehearsal.
Yeah.
We hope you can also visit us here someday.
Yes.
And then we're looking forward also celebrating your I hope we're still here by your 50th golden wedding anniversary.
No, you could actually come for your honeymoon.
Yeah, you could
Yeah,
come.
so you're welcome to come to our house.
Yes.
Yes, the house is there. Okay.
Of course. And
We're waiting for nanay and tatay and the others to come kasi mawawala na ng araw, didilim na. Ano na ba ngayong oras?
8 o'clock.
8 something na, oo. So, inaantay lang namin si nanay.
And then kung siguro buhay si Uncle Angheling at this time, he would be very proud of you, of all your achievements, Eileen. And kailangan meron ng apo.
Dapat.
Dapat
Oo.
lang
Next year,
kaagad,
ha?
ha?
Bilisan nyo.
Kasi-
Para naman makita namin kaagad.
Oo. Baka naman kami pa-retire na, wala pang apo, ha?
Eh, wala na akong work. Uwi ako next year. Hopefully, makita ko na yung baby nyo. Okay, looking forward to that. Pati makita si Auntie Ding and
Si Auntie Ding,
you and
hello.
Ato and everyone in the family. Okay, bye.
Congratulations!
Okay.